March 30th here in southern Ontario, Canada. I'll leave that there just for a moment because I see in the last video I really had it aimed badly. That's regarding Bill S-686 in the States and to some extent C-11 here in Canada. I'll just leave it there for a second. The Canadian Constitution Foundation, in conjunction with the Civil Liberties Association, is taking the Liberal government to federal court on Monday, April 3rd. Now, this has been in the works for like a year. The government has fought it, resisted it, tooth and nail. They do not want this in front of federal court. They don't want it in front of a judge. You can access it. It will be online streamed, but you have to register with the court for that, which you can do by going to the Canadian Constitution Foundation channel. And should you not care to watch the whole court proceedings, the Canadian Constitution Foundation will be summating it, what happened each day. Now, I'm not going to go any further into that. I'll make a couple of more review videos of what happened with the Trudeau Commission, as it became called, which was the public inquiry into the use of the Emergencies Act, which was chaired by, it came to be called the Trudeau Commission because Paul Trudeau, Trudeau's uncle-in-law, chaired the commission and said in the end Trudeau's hair was beautiful and everything was good. It should be noted that the government had like 56 lawyers and the people had like 8. The press and the government, the regime of Trudeau, referred to the people's lawyers as the supposed Freedom Convoy lawyers. Yeah, I was pretty prejudiced from the outset, but some interesting stuff came to light. But that's the subject for another video or two. Trampled horses and etc. So that's the Canadian Constitution Foundation. You can Google it, you can subscribe. She describes in more detail in her video that I just watched about the importance of this going before a federal judge. Now, will anything become of it? Well, we know Trudeau has ignored the Supreme Court's rulings twice now in regards to the Rebel News. But I've made videos about that in the past. So yeah, let's see what happens. It holds some hope, and it keeps it in the public eye.